Welcome to Zippo Lines Done. Today I want to show you this lighter. It comes with the original plastic case and paperwork. It is an old antique silver windproof Zippo lighter design. It was used when I got it. Got it at an old antique store in town here that is no longer in business. Well, antique mall. A little bit of a loose hinge. Fairly good looking insert. DXIV, which would be a 1998 insert. April 1998 insert. But it is a C March 1997 case. So they don't match. Not in any way. It still held up really well. It was well used. Like I said, I had to clean it. I don't know if you can tell, but it's nice and good looking on the inside now. I originally bought the lighter without the case, and I ended up finding a case for it later on. I just thought it was a nice, cool little thing to have for my collection. If you like it too, please drop a comment, let me know, hit the like button, subscribe. Anything you do will help. Thank you.